Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix Android Auto is not working in Realme Neo 7X. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on system and update, and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back to your home screen and check your charger works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update a new one charger. After that, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.